Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Do you love being in the spotlight? Really? I don't. However, I don't mind if it's the spotlight from this great ceiling fan. This is from Roomratv, and I really love how much that this has updated this kitchen area.
The ceiling fan was very easy to install. It's a 52-inch size with the 5 blades, and you can see it has that really crisp white LED light in the center. Another thing that's really neat is that it has a 6-speed remote, and this makes the ceiling fan operate so smoothly. It has different options for the LED lighting, and it also has a 6-speed option with a timer feature as well. The ceiling fan is a down rod mount, as you can see, so it hangs slightly lower and it gives you just such an awesome, breezy, quiet, breezy feeling. Also, the ceiling fan is compatible with your smart devices or with the remote that I'm using here. But because we are using this in our tenant's apartment, we opted to just install it with the remote, and it functions super well. It's very responsive. In the space that we have it in, it provides an awesome breeze and it has great lighting.
So not only do you have all of the options of going from your smart device, from your Google or Alexa assistant, but you really can add such a modern flair to your area. This fan was easy to install and it has so many different functions on its really cool remote. This fan would look great to add into any space, but that's just my point of view.